Hi guys, this is Lulu Brockmeyer and I'm going to show you how to recreate the super cute look I did for my birthday using my palette and brushes from Mascara Beauty. Before I begin, let me just pin my hair back, and then that way my hair can stay out of my face. I'm starting with contour in the color Indigo and applying the color right along my cheekbones, jawline, forehead, and nose. I will be using the Best Blend Forever brush to apply my foundation today. The highlight colors or foundation colors I'm using on my face are Sandy and Mango mixed together. I could almost only use Sandy based on my skin tone right now, but I wanted this look to have a bit of warmth, so every other time I reach into my palette, I am alternating colors and blending them together on my face. If you have watched my videos before, I usually blend my contour as I go, but this is my first time using the BFF brush and I really wanted to put it to the test and see what it could really do. I was a bit of a skeptic using this brush for my entire face because the bristles are super soft and I didn't think I could get very good coverage as I normally do with the Buffy brush. But man, oh man, once I got the hang of blending instead of stippling and swiping, it blew my mind. The coverage is so nice and the foundation feels super light on my face. Now moving on to my eyeshadows, I am going to start with the color Valencia on my crease just to start out a nice base layer for blending. Next, I'm going to go a little bit further with my crease and use Leo, which is a slightly darker color, and I am using the fluffy side of the Eyeshadow Everything brush. It is my absolute favorite brush for my crease and blending. Next, I'm going to use a slightly darker color, Zion, and this time I'm using the dense side of the brush and applying the color on my lid without worrying about blending because I'm going to flip over my brush and blend out any harsh lines. Using the same dense brush, I'm just going to quickly pick up all three colors and apply it to my lower lash line. Now I'm picking up the color Mi Hija using the same dense side of the brush, using the same method, applying and depositing the color on my lid, and later coming back to blend it out with the fluffy side of the brush. I'm also quickly applying the same color just on the outer corner of that bottom lash line. And time to blend. I wanted the color to be a little bit more intense and bright, so I picked up the color Saffron, which is a lip and cheek color, and I applied it on my lid and on the outer corner of my bottom lash line and blended out the colors once again with the fluffy side of my brush. Just going back in on my crease with Leo using the fluffy side of my brush just to give it more of the orange tones I wanted this look to have, and also applying it along the bottom lash line. And now I'm using the color Rome along my brow bone just to give it a little bit of a highlight pop and brightness, and using the illuminator glove macing on the inner corner of my eye and just taking it over along my brow bone just for a little added pop. Now using my hotline brush, I am picking up Cola Contour and filling in my brows. Now I am adding eyeliner using NYX Waterproof Epic Ink Liner in the color 01 Black, and I am creating a very small slight wing. Now I'm placing kohl on my lower lash line. It's a dark brown color, and I'm finishing up the look with some mascara on my upper lashes and lower lashes. And to add some color to my face, I am using Frenchy lip and cheek color on my cheeks. Brightening under my eyes with linen highlight and placing Georgia Illuminator on my cheekbones. I absolutely love Georgia Illuminator. It's a nice peachy shimmer that absolutely warms up the look. I feel like this is a true J.Lo glow. To finish up the look, I am applying a dark lip liner around my lips, and I'm going to be blending it out with my brush to soften up the look. For lip color, I'm using Frenchy Lip and Cheek, and then I'm topping it off with the color Coconut Plum from L'Oreal. And last but not least, finishing up with mascara stay spray to set my makeup in place, and voila, we're all finished. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked my video. Hit that heart button, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave your question on the comments or send me a DM. Bye. Thank you.